Hey, good morning, everybody. It's a bright Monday morning. This week I wanted to cover, actually this week and the next couple weeks, I wanted to cover some things for what to do at the scene of an accident. I see more people lose money at the scene of the accident than anywhere else. So today, I'd like to ask you a simple question. What is the very first thing you should do at the scene of an accident? And if you answered call the police or call 911, that's a great answer, but it's not the very first thing you should do. The very first thing you should do at the scene of an accident is check to make sure everybody that's in your vehicle is okay, and if there are any other vehicles involved, make sure they're okay. If you have the ability to render first aid, then help somebody. Be aware that in an accident, so this just happened last Friday, people were shook up. It's very possible that somebody could go into shock, get out of their vehicle and wander into traffic. This could also happen to you. So be aware that the first thing you want to do is try and take care of anybody in your vehicle or other vehicles to make sure they're okay, and then get them away from the vehicles and leave the vehicles in the roadway, but get them out of the vehicles and out of the roadway as quickly as possible. Next week I'll tell you what number 2 is. Thanks and have a great week.